I'm going to show you how CoinGPT can be your AI trading edge. We use the latest AI technology to find winning trade setups, analyze the market in seconds, and much, much more. In a moment, I'm actually going to show you our Telegram app where all the magic happens. Of course, you can use on mobile or desktop, and we're going to go into that in a minute. My name's 𝗦𝘗 𝗖𝗍. I'm the founder of CoinGPT, also known across crypto YouTube, crypto X, as 𝗪𝘁 so you can follow me there. But this is a project me and my team founded about 18 months ago. We've got some brand new features, and I'm going to show you how it's been helping me make a lot of money trading crypto, and can also help you find the best winning trades and ultimately be a more profitable, proficient, efficient crypto trader. Hit the like, guys. Let's get into the video. So as I said, in a minute, we're going to get into the Telegram bot itself, but quick run through what it's all about for those of you that don't know. And of course, there are chapters down below should you want to navigate, skip ahead, rewind, etc. So your AI-powered crypto trading edge. Trade smarter with real-time AI in the Telegram bot. So what CoinGPT does, it uses real-time data, the live prices of all cryptocurrencies, but uses AI to give it analysis, a bias, a stop loss, a take profit, as you can see. So some of the features, and not limited to, include AI powered analysis, real-time data, has an auto trade functionality as well, which is semi-automated in the sense that you can set it up. If you like a trade, you can click auto trade and it will send that to your exchange, including the stop loss and take profit level as well. When we get actually onto the bot, I'll run through all the features and how they work. CoinGPT is free to use, and the free plan has so much value. But of course, for those of you that are a bit more serious about making money and need a bit more, there is an unlimited version and a pro version as well. We'll talk more about that later in the video as well. So without any further delay, let's get into the Telegram bot itself and see what it can do. So here we are on the CoinGPT Telegram bot. As I mentioned, you can use it on mobile or desktop. Very easy to use. The first thing you're going to do is press start to start up the bot, and you're going to see a video appear that shows you a bit more about CoinGPT, how to use it, basically an explainer video, which is available on the website as well. You're going to click Analyze to begin, and the Analyze button you can press at any time. It's kind of like the home screen you can think of for the Telegram bot, and it's going to give you a snapshot of the market at that particular time. So this isn't the AI analysis part. This is more like crypto update, headline news on the price action. So you can see the fear and greed, Bitcoin dominance, some of the main coins, what they're doing. But to analyze any coin, any time frame using AI, you can simply click one of these, or you can find a coin from any of the features. For example, you could go into trending coins. So this is going to show you trending coins today. This is the 24-hour. We can change the time frame. Let's say, for example, we wanted to analyze SOL. We could click it. Everything is clickable, but equally, you can type it by just pressing /SOL, press enter, and the bot now is using AI to collect the real-time data and then analyze it through the AI to give an analysis, whether it's bullish, neutral, or bearish. And at the moment, on the 1 hour time frame for Solana, we have a neutral signal, which is fine. No real trade opportunity there. You may, however, get a different bias by changing the time frame, and we could change the time frame from the 1 minute to the 1 month. So it's actually giving us a long trade now for Solana. Brilliant. It's giving us a take profit level suggested and stop loss with a little synopsis there as well. And by the way, the premium feature removes all ads as well, which is nice, an additional feature there. Now from the analyze menu, there's a few other cool things you can do. For example, you can set an indicator alert, which will set, I'll show you. You set an indicator alert according to conditions. For example, you've got like RSI, golden cross, bullish breakout. So you can set an indicator alert when Solana on that particular time frame meets that condition. The other cool things you can do, I'll show you, is click on coin information to find out a little bit more about the coin. So in Solana's case, it will show you, for example, where it's ranked. It will show you the dominance if it's over 1%, and it should do there 2.7%. So Solana makes up 2.7% of the total market supply. You can see its websites, contract address, if it has a Telegram group, all really useful things from a Telegram bot itself. I find very, very useful. It will even show you like the traded volume in the last 24 hours, if it's up or if it's down, for example. And in addition, from that menu, you can even generate a chart. So you click generate a chart. It can take up to 10 seconds or so to generate a chart. And it will do it in the time frame we've selected. So for example, this time frame we looked at was the daily. So on the daily, it generated a chart for us. You can click it, you can open it. And of course, on your phone or on your desktop, it's going to open much bigger. You can even click the trading view link to see that as well. So very, very useful feature there. In addition to that, you can also share analysis with other communities, groups, friends. And then of course you have the auto trade feature. I'm going to dedicate a chapter to the auto trade feature in a moment, but basically it allows you to one click send that trade with the stop loss, with the take profit, direct to your exchange. It really is a game changer, and you can actually manage risk, manage the portion that you want to trade with. But again, more about that in a moment. That brings me on to analyze features. Now that we've looked how to analyze a coin, get stop loss, take profit, and all the features you have on the coin screen. So you've got trending. Like I mentioned before, you can see what's trending on different time frames. I'm not going to click the different time frames right now because I don't want to use my free credits just yet. But in addition to trending, you've got categories, which is great. For example, memes, AI, DeFi, RWA, layer 1s, layer 2s. You can see what coins in different categories are performing well in different time frames. So again, you can click any of these to get an AI analysis like right here and then. Like for example, we can see that 𝗏𝘁, which is a very popular Ethereum cat meme coin right now. Today it's up 7.62%. If we were to click it, it's going to actually analyze 𝗏𝘁 for us. Okay, so 𝗏𝘁 isn't a coin that's allowed on the free version. You can upgrade for additional coins. You get the most popular coins available on the free version. So in addition to seeing the different categories for analysis, the next feature, which I think is one of the coolest, most valuable, most profitable features of CoinGPT, and it's the newest feature, is Scanner. I love this feature because it's unique and it allows you to scan the market in seconds, finding cryptocurrencies that meet a chosen indicator. So for example, we're choosing an indicator. Let's choose, I don't know, the bullish breakout indicator. So this is going to help us find coins that have just broken out on the bullish price crossing the 200 exponential moving average. So when the price crosses over the 200-day EMA, it signals a bullish shift. And on the 1 hour time frame, which we're going to do first, it's giving us a list of coins that meet that signal. That would be so time consuming, so difficult to find without this feature. And of course, you can change the time frame to find different coins depending on if you're a scalp trader, position trader, swing trader. And what's even more valuable, if you're on the premium version, you can actually set an indicator alert for these conditions. I'm going to show you that in a moment when I move on to the premium version. You'll notice we've still got a daily limit and we've still got ads, and there's some coins that we can't access. For example, if I clicked on virtual now, it's not going to let us because it's not in the premium feature. Still lots we can do from the free version, but if you are serious about obviously profiting, spotting the best trades, the earliest opportunities, then the premium version, whether it's pro or unlimited, are going to definitely pay off. And on the scanner feature as well, you can actually click set indicator alert and set an alert from there. But again, like I mentioned, it's a premium version. So let's move on to the next feature. So moving on to the next features, gainers, losers, pretty self-explanatory. Ranking, the list of ranking coins, you can check that out for yourself. But I'm going to show you Image AI because this is another super powerful tool. Image AI. So say, for example, you've got a snapshot of an image. you've got a chart maybe from X, maybe from another Telegram group, and you want to reverse engineer. Instead of searching for a coin and charting it, doing the technical analysis yourself, simply upload an image of a chart and the AI of CoinGPT will analyze it, give you a bias, a stop loss, and a take profit. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see that on your screen, but I've uploaded an Ethereum chart on the 4-hour, something I've tried to chart myself, a little bit amateur if I'm honest, but here we go. CoinGPT has given me the current price, the major supports, the minor supports, resistant levels, indicators, and a bias and strategy. It's suggesting that it's currently bullish, and it's even giving me a take profit and a stop loss level with a detailed summary as well. So super cool feature, also available on the free version. So this tool for me is a game changer. Of course, me and my team developed it. We developed it in mind with what would we love as traders if we were designing something that we could use to make us profit. Well, here it is, and hopefully it can help you as well. So the next really cool feature I'm going to show you is AskGPT, like ChatGPT, but specific for CoinGPT's analysis. And you can ask it general questions about trading and investing, like, could you give me the 10 top tips on how to manage risk and be a more profitable trader? But the coolest part of it is you can ask it about analysis itself. For example, with this particular analysis for Bitcoin on the 1 hour that's neutral, well, when could it become bullish? So let's say, what would make this Bitcoin analysis bullish to open a long? Just for example, you can literally ask it anything about the analysis, like what are some further take profit levels, stop loss levels, anything you want, and it says to shift the analysis to a bullish outlook for opening Bitcoin, and it gives you the different reasons or let's say things you should look out for it to turn bullish. So AskGPT is also a super powerful tool. It's like having an AI agent assistant in your pocket. It's really helpful. Okay, so up next is the auto trade feature. This is of course optional. CoinGPT isn't a trading bot as such in the sense of you connect and it trades for you automatically. No, it has a very cool API feature which allows you to one-click auto trade to your chosen exchange. Currently it's set up with Bybit, with Binance, with Blofin, I believe, soon to be set up with Femex as well. And you can literally do one-click trades from the analysis screen. So for example, if this was a long or a short for Bitcoin, you could click auto trade once it's set up and it will trade for you in a second with the stop loss and take profit level. You can even manage the trades, check the open trades, close trades, all from the Telegram bot itself. It is super cool and it's seamless, very, very useful. So to set it up, you simply click that. It's going to direct you to a Google form. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes. You're simply going to be directed to the form which instructs you on how to sign up for the relevant exchange. Maybe you've got the exchange already, and then you just need to set up a secure API connection. We instruct you how to do that with videos. Like I said, it takes 1 to 2 minutes. It's very, very easy. Once it's set up, you don't have to do it again. And of course, you have full control of your balance. You keep the funds in your own exchange wallet. You never send us any funds. You have full control. So let's talk about premium and if it's worth upgrading for you. The free version is great, gives you 20 daily analyzed credits. It gives you access to 30 popular coins and most of the time frames. But what do you get if you upgrade to Pro or Unlimited? Well, first up, let me mention everyone can try the unlimited version for free, no commitment, no card, nothing. You can try it for 48 hours by simply going to the bot, going to upgrade, and you can just simply click activate premium pass and you'll be an unlimited user. You can enjoy all the features, test them out for 48 hours. What you get as an unlimited user is all the time frames from the 1 minute time frame. Of course, lower time frames you can spot opportunities earlier and there's more opportunities to be had. All the coins, over 1,000 cryptocurrencies you can access and analyze in real time with CoinGPT on the premium version. There's no limitations, no daily limits, no weekly limits. You get the latest GPT version, which is available through our partner OpenAI. You get coin and scanner alerts, so you can use scanner to actually set alerts for when certain coins meet a certain condition. It's ad free, and what's not mentioned here, you get full API auto trade access as well. So depending on the kind of trader you are, how you want to use CoinGPT, it's entirely up to you. But for people that are really looking at CoinGPT to help them trade, help them make money, the unlimited version for me is a no-brainer. It starts from as little as 50 cents per day. Let me show you the plans on the website. So here are the plans. You can see them on the website. Like I said, basic free version. There are some limitations you can see for yourself when you click the link down beneath in the video description. But yeah, if you want to go unlimited, you can get unlimited access per month from $16.58. Like I mentioned, it's less than the price of a coffee per week. It's about 50 cents per day. Some people may only need the pro version, and you can get that as well. This is the annual pricing. For anyone that wants to do it monthly, can. You can even pay in crypto. You click on this link and it will give you the instruction. But what you need to do when you open up the CoinGPT Telegram bot, you simply press /crypto and it will give you the option to pay in crypto. You can do that actually through the Telegram bot itself. So last but not least, you've got a few other things we didn't talk about, like alert management. This is the place where you can manage any coin or scanner alerts that you have. You also have My Account to manage your account, and customer support, and of course refer and earn. If you like CoinGPT, maybe you've got a community, an audience of yourself, you can actually earn money by sharing your unique link. You get $1 for everyone that joins the bot, whether it's free or paid. So a great affiliate system as well. Already CoinGPT users are making hundreds every single week but just by sharing our Telegram bot, whether someone signs up or not. So a great opportunity as well. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, leave comments, leave questions. We'll leave the customer support Telegram group down below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you inside the Telegram bot. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.